Hello everyone, this is the second update of the Thunderstorm. It's a very small one actually. I just want to film this cloud that seems to be acting very strangely at the bottom. It seems like the bottom of this cloud is spinning around a little bit. So I was just going to film it. It's just spinning the very bottoms of it. Yes, it's spinning. I think that's like a wall cloud which you usually get underneath thunderstorm clouds, and they can curve around a little bit. And there's a lot of rain over there, but we've missed most of the rain. That's the main thunderstorm. The wind's picked up a little bit. It's only been a minor one. It's still a thunderstorm. Like funnels. Small one, so I'll end this video here. So goodbye.